It's strange how most people discover a trading broker not because they planned it for months, but because they were searching for a way to finally step into the financial markets. And somewhere along that search, FBS Trading Broker appears as an option worth considering. At first glance, it positions itself as a global Forex and CFD broker, offering access to currency pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, and even cryptocurrencies, which immediately makes it appealing to traders who want variety without juggling multiple platforms. Yet beyond the surface, what truly matters is how it structures the trading experience for both beginners and more advanced users. What makes FBS stand out for many traders is its flexible leverage structure, which allows users to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. Although this feature, while attractive, increases both potential profits and potential losses. At the same time, the broker often provides educational resources, webinars, and market analysis tools, which help bridge the knowledge gap for beginners who may not fully understand technical indicators or fundamental analysis. By combining access to learning materials with real-time trading tools, FBS creates an environment where users can gradually develop their skills rather than feeling overwhelmed from the start. Another factor that traders consider is cost efficiency, and FBS typically offers competitive spreads depending on the account type selected. Some accounts may include commission-free trading with slightly wider spreads, while others provide tighter spreads with small commissions, and that flexibility allows traders to align fees with their strategies. Additionally, features like demo accounts enable users to practice without risking real money, which can build confidence before transitioning to live trading. However, while FBS provides access to global markets and advanced tools, it's important to remember that trading itself carries significant risk, especially when leverage is involved. Market volatility can shift quickly, and disciplined risk management becomes essential to long-term survival. Using stop-loss orders, managing position sizes carefully, and avoiding emotional decisions are critical habits that complement the broker's infrastructure. And in the end, whether someone succeeds with FBS Trading Broker often depends less on the platform itself and more on how consistently and patiently they approach the markets. Because even with powerful tools at your fingertips, it's the strategy behind each click that quietly determines the outcome. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.